Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make ghee from butter. Ghee essentially is clarified butter made from cow's milk, primarily used for cooking purposes. The smoking point of ghee is lot more than our typical cooking oil, hence it retains more nutrients while cooking than the regular oil. When you buy ghee from shops or supermarkets, you do not know what impurities it has, what's the quality of ghee, how it is made. But when you make it home, you know which quality of butter you have used and how you have made it. In this video, I have taken normal regular butter to make ghee, but you can always take organic butter to make organic ghee using the same process, which turns out to be a lot more cheaper. For this, you need to have butter, how much you want to make ghee, and an absolutely dry pan. I usually heat up the pan a little bit earlier so that all the moistures inside the pan is evaporated. And for the butter, you need unsalted type. Do not take the salted type of butter because it will alter the taste of the ghee, and also you can't store ghee for longer period. So make sure you are using unsalted type of butter. After removing the packages, gently place the butter blocks in the heated pan and let it melt on its own. Throughout the whole process, keep the burner at low flame all the time so that the butter will not be burnt and also it will not leave a black residue in the pan. So after this, the process is really easy. You do not need to monitor the thing all the time. So you just keep on carrying out other chores in your kitchen and come back to the ghee after every 10 minutes or so. In the next couple of minutes, I'll show you how the color of the butter changes from a bright yellow to a golden type. I took around 1 kilogram of butter, out of which I could make 800 grams of ghee. It took me approximately 1 hour to make ghee. But it can take more or less depending upon the quality of butter you have taken. If the butter has lot more moisture content in it or it has got lot more milk solids in it, then it may take more. Or if the butter quality is really good and less moisture and less milk solid, means can take less time. The whole process is all about being vigilant about the color of the liquid, because at the end you don't want a burnt ghee. As you can see, I have kept the burner at low flame throughout the whole process. You can give an occasional stir to the melting butter now and then, just to ensure that the butter is melting nicely and not sticking to the base of the pan. Ghee is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids like avocados or eggs. It has also been proven scientifically that ghee can be consumed in our regular diet regularly. Ghee can also be given to patients with diabetes or cardiovascular conditions in small amount, because the fat content of ghee is good, unlike the regular cooking oil we use in our cooking process. The cooking oil is processed very intensively in the factories, but ghee is an unprocessed food. When the butter gets completely melted, you can see a froth on the top. This is perfectly normal. This is part of the process. When you try to separate the froth with a spoon, you can also see milk solids towards the bottom of the pan. Just let the liquid to bubble nicely and gently at this stage. After 45 to 50 minutes, you can see the color of the liquid has changed to a golden type. and also the froth on the top looks more solid. We are just few minutes away from the final product, so be absolutely vigilant at this stage. After around 1 hour of starting the process, this is the state of the liquid. You can see a golden brown residue towards the bottom of the pan, and all the froth has gone now. So at this stage you need to turn off the burner and let the liquid to cook in its own heat for some time. The cooking process is still on. So after the liquid gets completely cooled down, you can see a golden brown residue towards the bottom of the pan. That is the milk solid which was present earlier in the butter. Now since clarified butter has been separated from the milk solid, you can strain and pour the liquid in a glass jar, preferably airtight, so that you can store the ghee for longer period. You can store ghee up to 2 months without changing its color or flavor or taste. Hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and do tell me in the comment section if you have tried it.